So we're at Concord Regional Airport, I think. There's this plane about to take off, another plane about to take off. I'll zoom in so y'all can see. Alright. That helicopter's right there. I don't know if it's about to take off. There's private jets and stuff. Like here. That's not a private jet, but that helicopter might take off. I don't know, but it might. Yeah, it's about to take off. Is it moving? I can't tell if it's moving or not. Oh yeah, it's moving, it's moving. Oh? It's just such a busy day. Yeah, it's going up. Can't go past the gate. Turning? Nope, there we go. Oh, one's about to take off, I think. When I see the plane about to take off, I'll stop looking at this. Oh, it's coming towards me. Hold up. Wait, I can't see it. No. Alright, it's coming. Yo, that's so sick. I think that one's taxiing, but yeah. There's like a lot of Cessna planes and stuff. A lot of, not many private jets, but yeah. One's about to take off, I see it. I'm gonna try to zoom in as much as I can. Engine off. It's so quiet. I'm gonna try to go right. Oh, FedEx. FedEx. It's taking off. It's taking off. This is kind of a good spot to plane spot. It's just, it would be a much better if you could just go across the fence, but or if the fence were just pushed back more. I mean pushed forward more. But yeah, it's pretty windy out here. Quiet. FedEx truck. Oh, there's one about to take off. I'll step back so y'all can have a wider POV. So that's the end of today's video, and I'll see y'all later.